Good morning and welcome back, friends, to another episode of Golden Whispers because Joshi inspires aspirations. This is a 2 to 5 minute series, friends, of daily reflections that are crafted to ignite your passions and broaden your horizons and guide you towards a life filled with a purpose. So get ready to be uplifted and motivated each day with Golden Whispers as we embark on the collective journey of personal growth together. ये श्रृंखला आपकी प्रेरणाओं को जगाती है और आपको उद्देश्यपूर्ण जीवन की मार्गदर्शन कराती है. Today's topic is, friends, your potential is limitless, your potential is endless. So the very notion comes from the ability or capacity to grow, to adapt, and to innovate oneself, each one. Our ability to learn, acquire new skills, and push boundaries has led to remarkable achievements in history also. हम अगर पीछे की तरफ मुड़ के देखें तो हम आज जहां तक पहुंचे हैं, जहां तक भी जो भी whatever we have reached today is because we had adapted to the different circumstances. That means we have the capacity to adapt to the new things, to learn the new things, to scale new heights. That means we can push ourselves out of our comfort zones. That is the necessity. And if we do that, then the potential is limited. The more you acquire the knowledge, the more you gain the confidence, the more you reach the heights. So learning is a continuous process. It cannot be stopped. ये नहीं सोच सकते कि अभी उम्र इतनी हो गई है तो मैं नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगा या मैं आत्मसात नहीं कर पाऊंगा. नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You can always adapt to the changes. You can always learn new things and go on enriching yourself with the new horizons, with the new things which you are capable of, to adapt for, to learn for, and gain knowledge, and hence scale heights in your journey of life. The best example that I can cite is from the mythology of Mahabharata, Arjuna. He is an excellent example that illustrates the endless potential of humans. The story of Arjuna in Mahabharata who was a skilled archer and a warrior, एक कुशल तीरंदाज और योद्धा थे वो, known for his precision and valor. However, with his limitless potential, dedication to learning, and willingness to explore new horizons, he showcased the potential he can have to learn for. Under the guidance of Guru Dronacharya, Arjuna mastered various weapons and combat techniques. He also sought spiritual wisdom from Krishna, Lord Krishna, who imparted profound teachings on duty, righteousness, and self-realization. अपने गुरु द्रोणाचार्य के मार्गदर्शन में अर्जुन ने विभिन्न शस्त्रों और युद्ध तकनीकों का अभ्यास किया था. उन्होंने भगवान कृष्ण से आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान प्राप्त किया था, जिन्होंने कर्तव्य, धर्म और आत्म साक्षात्कार पर गहरे तत्वों की शिक्षा दी थी. The journey exemplifies the human capacity for growth and adaptation. Despite being born with remarkable skills, remarkable talents, he continuously sought to enhance his skills and deepen his understanding of life's complexities. His relentless pursuit of excellence and his openness to learning enabled him to achieve extraordinary heights on the battlefield and attain spiritual enlightenment. Arjuna's story tells us how the potential expands when we embrace lifelong learning process, push our boundaries, and draw inspiration from diverse sources. है ना? अर्जुन की कहानी हमें यह दिखाती है कि हमारी संभावनाएं जब हम जीवन भर की शिक्षा को स्वीकार करते हैं, अपनी क्षमताओं को छेदते हैं और विविध स्रोतों के से प्रेरणा लेते हैं, तो वास्तव में असीमित होती है. That is what I mean to say by your potential is endless. So Arjuna is the best example to state that your potential is endless. Learn from the mythology, learn from the stories, friends. Yes, you can achieve heights. Just embrace the everyday learning process. Embrace that you are always a student to learn from vivid different sources. विविध sources से आप सीखने की स्थिति में ही रहोगे. Be a student and you will scale heights. I sign off on this note, friends, and we meet again in another episode of Golden Whispers because she inspires aspirations. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy, enjoy the day, enjoy the life, friends. It is a one-time activity. Do enjoy.